Hello, how are you? The question is mn is equal to 32, m plus n is equal to 4, and I'm solving for m and n. Now the solution is first equation m n is equal to 32. M plus n is equal to 4. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 2, here m plus n is equal to 4. Therefore m plus n is equal to 4. M is equal to 4 plus n is changed into minus n. Now putting value of m in equation 1. Now equation 1. M is equal to 4 minus n. Yeah. M 4 minus n into n is equal to 32. Now we open these brackets. 4 into n is equal to 4n, minus n into n is equal to minus n square is equal to 32. Now rearrange this equation. N square minus 4n plus 32 is equal to 0. Now A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 32. And we use quadratic formula. Then n is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now n is equal to minus b minus into minus 4 plus minus b square minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 32 over 2 into 1. N is equal to 4 plus minus 16 minus 128, 32 for the 128 into over 2. Now n is equal to 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 128 is equal to minus 112 over 2. Now n is equal to 4 plus minus under root factorization of -112 is equal to 4 into 4 into 7 into -1 over 2. Now n is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 4 is equal to 2 into square root of 4 is equal to 2 into 7 into -1 is equal to iota square over 2. Now n is equal to 4 plus minus 2 to the 4, and square root of iota square is equal to iota 4 iota under root 7 over 2. N is equal to, taking 4 common, taking 2 common from these 2 into 2 plus minus 2 iota under root 7 over 2. Plus minus 2 iota under root 7. This is our solution for n. Now we solve for m. Putting in equation 2, putting in equation 2. Now putting in equation 2, m is equal to 4 minus n. M is equal to 4 minus, putting here value of n, 2 plus minus 2 iota under root 7. M is equal to 4 minus 2 plus minus 2 iota under root 7. Now m is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 plus minus 2 iota under root 7. M is equal to 2 plus minus 2 iota under root 7, which is our value of m. Thank you very much.